Quick check on business now, and Singapore is aiming to strengthen Asia's resiliency against natural catastrophes. Acting Prime Minister Heng Swee Keat says that Singapore's central bank is developing the market for insurance-linked securities as an alternative risk financing solution.
Mr. Heng says it will help ease the fiscal burden on governments, and he added that the intensity and frequency of such catastrophes have increased because of climate change.
Currently, only about 5% of the economic losses are insured in developing Asia. This put tremendous strain on governments of developing nations in the event of a natural catastrophe, which can set back economic progress in the affected areas for years to come.
Mr. Heng added that Singapore will also host the Southeast Asia Disaster Risk Insurance Facility, which will be established later this year. It is a facility for ASEAN countries to access financing in the aftermath of a natural disaster.
Mr. Heng also highlighted two other ways Singapore can contribute to sustainable growth in the region. These include bridging partnerships for regional infrastructure development opportunities and growing the sustainable finance sector.